Wow, check it out, guys.
It's all done by local in-house artists in India at Supercar.
Wow, it can be done there, then it could be done here too. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. Today we've been invited to check out Mr. Gautam Singhania's new venture. It's called GS Designs, I think, and he's ventured into custom designing of these tempo travelers and Innovas and stuff, kind of like what DC used to do. So meeting up with the Kickshift boys and the rest of the crew, so it's going to be a fun night. Let's see where the night takes us. It's going to be pretty lit tonight. Look how nicely ceiling is lit up for Independence Day, which was a couple of days ago. It looks so nice. The city's so beautiful. The skies, so nice. Oh, just pulling up to Raymond House. Just pulled up to Raymond House. And this is where the event is, so yeah. We just headed up. There was a car out there for display, but I couldn't record because there was a lot of people. So yeah, let's head out. I'm recording on my phone, by the way, because no rule out here. So we're here now, boys. Can you give me a brief explanation on what's going on?
I don't know, bro. You tell me.
Wow, this is pretty good. Some premium quality stuff. Wow, they got vents from like a G-Wagon or Benz or whatever. Starlight roof.
Can't take this to the airport though.
Why? No, that's why you have another car.
You got a point there. I wonder what this is.
Cool box.
No pap, please. No paps.
Hormaz, what do you think of all this?
No paps, please.
You're a fabricator.
You're not
an
supposed
artist.
to do all of this right now here.
Why? We're only supposed to do all this. I've been
Come,
called as an
I'll take you
influencer.
through it.
Yes, please. Speak up.
Nice interior layout over here. With nice textured seats.
How does it feel like? What is the texture?
For extreme comfort.
What does it remind you of?
I wouldn't mention it on camera.
Your headroom is pretty good. Got a lot of head.
Only,
I mean, a lot of room for
only
your
when I'm
head.
relaxed.
What are you watching?
My train in Swiss.
Some very cool cars here. I didn't even know it's an old school Rolls Royce drop top. How cool is this? We're here with Arvan. He's one of the people that take care of all these beautiful cars here at the Supercar Garage. Well, we're not at the Supercar Garage, but we're here. What would you like to say about this car, bro?
So this is a 1950s Buick Straight 8. The story.
Super 8, right? It's an inline 8? Or
Yeah,
it's a V8?
inline 8. It's an
Inline 8.
yeah.
Okay.
So the story behind this car was a similar paint job. Won the best paint job at a US car show.
Yeah.
And our boss wanted to replicate the same thing here. The original idea was to get the painter from USA fly him down to India and he
I
does
mean,
the
this
paint
is
job.
insane, bro.
But due to COVID, we couldn't get him down, right?
Yeah.
Travel restrictions, the painter couldn't come down. So we suggested that we have our in-house airbrush artist and we can do the same work in India that they do
So
anywhere in the world.
any paintbrush work going on this? Like,
This is
like
all
with your
airbrush
hand?
work. All hand
Airbrush.
work.
Airbrush, okay.
Airbrush, and then there are pinstripe work in the front.
In the front.
It's all done by local in-house artists in India at Supercar.
Wow, it can be done there, then it could be done here too. That's beautiful. Insane. And the sparkles on it? Oh my god. Candy paint. As you can see, good things take time, and you had to get it on there because a project like this does not happen overnight. And look at the interior, so pristine. Everything, the attention to detail is amazing. Wow. So it's got an inline 8, huh?
Inline 8, yeah.
This paint job, man, I can't get over it. It's insane. With the pinstripes and everything. It's all done by hand.
Everything, the stripes, everything. Using traces and all, but all by hand.
Wow.
The shading, even how it's darker here gets lighter towards the middle.
That's some crazy artwork.
So you use a candy paint, which is a silver paint with flakes in it.
Yeah.
And then you use transparent, like semi-opaque paint above it, and then lacquer it.
Wow.
So it's around 6 to 7 layers
Arvan
of
giving
paint.
out the trade secrets. It's got starlight. See? Oh wow, beautiful. Matches the interior. How cool is that, man? Very cool. A 1955 Chrysler New Yorker. It's a V8.
That's all I know.
That's all you know about the car. Let's check it out. Again, two-tone custom paint job. St. Regis Newport. What's that? But sick interior. It's like a full hot rod theme, black and red. How sick is this? So clean. This is the showstopper. It's a 190 with the C63 engine, 4-liter. How sick is this? And check it out. Even the interior is full modernized. And check it out. Even the interior is swapped over from a newer C63. How sick is this? Even the back, all over. This is a really cool build. Even got the seat controls retrofitted in with the cool heated seats. Wow. So sick. Taking the event now, we got our goodie bags. Start to a long night with the boys. Oma, where are we going next?
Audi. Audi is an Audi. My suit for the next event.
Let's go. Let's go. So this is the custom tempo. Wow, I can stand in here. Oh wow, it's like open inside, bro.
Bro, it's pretty spacious. Huh?
Pretty spacious. Kushu's like 6'5" and he fits in here.
Oh, bro, come on, let's do another recap.
Yeah, you want to take a shower?
I want to take a dump.
Go for it.
Have to do a recap.
Chalo. Good morning. Can we stand on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's be standing on this. Come on, Amy. Oh, damn, this is fast. Wow, check it out, guys. I'm on top of the. I can stand on this?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Say hi.
Going down. That's pretty cool. What's up?
Hi, Sandy.
Hi, what's up,
What's
bro?
up?
मैं भी आता हूँ. रुको.
Damn.
Damn.
Features the engine and interior of a
How cool.
2050.
Pulling up in the RS6 with the S4 back there. So guys, let's see you in BKC. Wild Child's RS6. Finally, it's my first time sitting in it, bro.
We're gonna blast it now, Sonny.
Let's go. Audi Event in the best Audi they ever sold. So bro, let's get this thing in dynamic. Oh my god. Oh my god, this carbon ceramics come in use.
Yeah,
huh?
bro.
Let's go. Of course, you got the panel roof to put your girl in the stars. We blasting the 90s with, yeah.
Born in 97, I'm a 90s kid.
80s kid.
My boy whip amethyst black, 300 set, that's lit. Lexus crawling pavements, man, that's 90 shit. 90 shit. Filled up 3 times today, she a thirsty bitch.
Sounds insane. You don't need to do anything to this. It was in comfort this whole time. I just put it in dynamic.
I don't need more than dynamic. It's stiff on our road.
It is too stiff. Boys just pulled up. Heavy. Let's go. Oh, Mr. Arabstang himself. What's our buzz? Make sure you guys go follow him. My little brother started vlogging. I like the spec on it though, Kush. What do you think?
I think it's really.
How's the legroom back there?
I really love the f***ing color, bro.
The color is sick. The spec, it's like a. You guys obviously can't see
You know
because
the
everything.
best part?
What?
Bed बना.
What do you want?
Candy for your hood.
Off the hood. There's a concert going on, but you know the petrol heads, they have to see the motor.
Hi, bro.
What's up? All the petrol heads have to see the engine. Look at this. Whole concert going on over there. And Bai's looking at the engine. Got out of the car. When I got out of the car, I didn't need to guess where the boys are. So, our Baz has got some chocolate from Audi. roasted almond dark chocolate.
अंकल जी थोड़ा गुड़ है चॉकलेट पिला दीजिए.
Let's go sideways. Sideways. Crazy ride. So we just got done the event at Audi, and now we're gonna head to party at Bastion.
Look at my Audi.
Which one? Let's see how the night goes. Pusher, you in for a wild night?